Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Tech Ideas channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to animate a logo and text, and also how to create from them a very cool intro like this one right here, so stay tuned. So guys, after we open HitFilm Express, we came to the new panel right here, and we're gonna create a new composite shot like this, and from there we're gonna click on OK. And now we came to the import panel right here and import any logo we want, your YouTube channel's logo or something like this one, and put it right here. And now we're gonna resize this, like make it smaller like this. So guys, if you like the dark theme, just leave it, or if you want to change the color, all we have to do, we came to the new layer right here and we're gonna choose plain, and from there you can change any color for the background. So I'm gonna choose white, click on OK, and now we're gonna put this above our new plane. So now let's rename this logo right here, just name it logo like this. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna expand this logo, also expand the transform panel right here, and now we're gonna make a keyframe in the scale right here in the beginning, as you can see, and we're gonna click on it right here and make it 0% like this, disappear completely. Now we're gonna move 20 frames forward. Let me zoom like this here, and we're gonna make it back like 70 or so like this. And now select those two keyframes, make them manual busy, and now we have this cool animation, as you can see. So now from the second keyframe we double click on it and we're gonna count 10 frames, or you can see right here, so make it 1 and 5. And from here we're gonna make a keyframe in the position this time like this, and we're gonna move 10 frames again. We're gonna make it 115 like this, and we're gonna move this logo right here. Always select those two keyframes, make them manual busy, and now we have this. So it's very simple. So now what we're gonna do guys, we're gonna add a text. We came to this logo right here, or icon, and we're gonna draw a box like this, and we're gonna type anything, your YouTube channel's name or so. You can't see it because it's white, so we came to the text panel right here, change the color to black, hit OK. So make it in the middle right here and here, make it bigger like this. I'm gonna change the color for the second word, make it dark red like this. That's so big, make it 80 like this. So now guys, we're gonna create a mask in the new text. We're gonna select the new text right here, choose this square mask, and we're gonna create a rectangular as we did with the text. So now guys, we're gonna find when our logo start moving like here, and we're gonna expand the mask that we created just now, create a keyframe in the position, and we're gonna move the mask like this. And now guys, we came when our logo stops moving like here or so, and we're gonna move it back like this. Select those two keyframes, manual busy always. So let's see it now. That should work. Or let's move this logo a little bit. We came to this, we came to the logo right here in the second position, select the logo, move it like this or so. and also the new text right here, like this. So now what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna create another animation with the logo, and we follow it with the text also. We're gonna move like we are in 115, we're gonna move this like 315 or 35 should be enough. And from there we're gonna create another animation with the logo in the position. We're gonna select this keyframe and make another keyframe like this, and we're gonna move like 15 frames this time, like 320 here, and we're gonna move the logo like in the beginning of the text right here. Now we're gonna move this like 13 frames like here, and we're gonna move the logo in the middle of the screen right here, as you can see, like here. So now, guys, we select those 3 keyframes, make them manual bezier right here. So now we have this animation, and now, guys, we're gonna make the text disappear when the logo moves from here to here. So we came to the new text right here, put it when the logo starts moving like here, and we're gonna make in the mask keyframe in the position also right here. Move this like here, move the mask away like this. It's very simple. Make those keyframes manual busy also. So let's see if we have the right combination. No, we're gonna drag those animation like this, those 2 keyframes, sorry. I think this is better. So now what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna create an animation only with the logo. We're done with the text right here. So from the last keyframe right here in the logo, we're gonna move 10 frames, like 18 right here, and we're gonna make a keyframe in the scale. Select this and make a keyframe, move like 10 frames again like this, and we're gonna scale this and make it bigger like here. And from here we're gonna move like 5 frames, like make it 8, and we're gonna make this a lot bigger like this, and move finally 10 frames like this and make it 0%. Select those 4 keyframes, and now we have this. So let's see the whole animation. Or let's make this like 10 frames and see what we have. So now, guys, if you're okay with this, just save it and leave it. But if you want to add some 3D animations, let's do it. So what we're gonna do, guys, we came to the controls panel right here, and in the layer properties we're gonna expand this, and in the dimension we're gonna make this a 3D animation, and it will ask you if you want to add a camera, so click yes. And now in the logo, as you can see, we have 3 rotation instead 1, as you can see. So we can add some 3D animations. So we came to this, and we're gonna, as you can see, this rotate like this and this like this. So I'm gonna make this all 0% again. So we came to this, and we're gonna make a keyframe in the rotation Y, and select this second keyframe right here after, and we're gonna make this like 2 or something. Select those 2 keyframes, make them manual busy. Now we have this. And also we can add another animation from here to here. Select this keyframe right here, and we're gonna make a keyframe in rotation Z this time. Select the second, make it 2. Select those 2 keyframes, make them manual busy, and now we have this rotation. So let's see it in the editor panel right here. move this composite shot like this. So that's all for me guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe for more tips and tricks like this, and also feel free to comment in the comment section below about anything you want. So I guess I will see you in the next tutorial. See ya.